I have been in a shock for a very long time now, for let me call it 2 days now, because World OTC made me lose $97. Shout out to those ones that check out to me when I posted it on my status on WhatsApp. So, but I'm good now. I'm good to go now. I've moved on. I've learnt my lesson. I tried to double my capital. That's why I couldn't withdraw. But I'm very happy that my referrals withdraw before World OTC crashes. So, for today's video, I'm gonna make a video about a USDT earning website. But before then, I just withdraw this thing. I think yesterday, yeah, early morning yesterday, 7, just almost by this time, almost 24 hours yesterday, and the withdrawal was from AI mining. So this is my AI mining now because I withdraw yesterday, and this is how much I have accumulated from AI mining. This is also a the amount that I'm gonna be paid at the end of this month for referring people. But this is not the update of today. Let me show you guys my withdrawal proofs so that you can see how much I've withdrawn from airmine. I withdrawn 6 USDT, 11 USDT, 11 USDT, and now 6 USDT, which came like 5 USDT because they took out 1 USDT as charge fee. And my only deposit on AI mine is just 20 USDT. So if you want to know more, if you are new to AI mine and want to know more about it, use the video in the description to know more about AI mine. But this is not the video of the day because the main update of today is about this 5 USDT, what I'm gonna use it to do, to show you guys how I'm gonna be earning 1.4 USDT daily. You guys have to play smart with me because this platform is just around 4 days ago in market. So let us go. If you want to take this platform serious, take it serious. So let's dive in. The platform we're going to talk about today is Highlife whatever that is in the link. So for the link in the description, you're going to take you over where you are going to copy out this Highlife .vip. So what are they doing? I have not used the site. I just saw someone use the site. So why I'm doing this video today is because I saw how their payout is. So first of all, once you sign up with the link you copied, it's gonna give you, once you are done signing up, it's gonna give you, once you use my link to sign up, it's gonna give you 15 USDT. Look at it. Sign up bonus is 15 USDT. So what you really need to do if you want to use this particular platform is to go ahead and recharge 5 USDT, and I'm gonna show you why. If you go over to this place now that called membership, you're gonna see that currently I'm in VIP 1, which daily task is 0 and USDT commission nothing. But you're gonna, if you want to upgrade to 20 VIP 2, you're gonna be getting daily. What you're gonna be getting is 0.1 USDT daily, and price for you to upgrade to VIP 2 is 20 USDT, which they have already given us 15. All you need now is to just recharge 5 USDT and you'll be earning 1.4 USDT daily. That means within 4 days you have gotten your capital back. So I think their payout is making sense, and I've seen a lot of people withdrawing from it. So if you click on it, so I'm gonna recharge now. Let me do a live recharging so that you guys will see that that I'm recharging and I want to use it now. So let me recharge with this 5 USDT that I have on my wallet now. So if I click on send, I've copied the wallet address. So let me just paste it here and click on Mars. So next thing I have to do is to just say complete and continue, and they're gonna charge me $1.10 worth of TRS for transferring it. So if I click on confirm, it's gonna ask me for me to confirm it, and boom, I've sent out the 5 USDT that I got from AI mining to this particular platform. So let me wait for the, as you can see, I've completed. So let me go back to the website and click on submit. So in 15 seconds it's gonna get done. So make sure that so they say it's under review. So once it's done, I'm gonna update you guys. Let me end this video now. After some seconds, I received that 5 USDT that I sent from my Trust wallet, and I have already upgraded my membership. So how do you need to upgrade your membership? So you'll be currently on that VIP 1 that I showed you guys. So just slide it like this and take it to VIP 2, then click on upgrade to VIP 2. It will upgrade successfully. So once you are done with it, click on this place that says task. It's going to take you to, it's going to ask you so you have to click on VIP 1, then click on receive. Once you click on receive, the task is successfully received. So what do you need to do? You need to open this video now. Open this video or copy out the video link. What they need you to do, you have to like the video. So let's click on open. It's going to take me to YouTube, where I'm going to like the video and screenshot it and then send it to this place. So let's know the video that is in turn. As you can see, this is how they made their own money. This video is currently having 10 million views. So let's just give it a like and then screenshots. As you can see, we're done. So we are leaving YouTube. So let's click on submit. And then add our screenshots over there. This is my screenshots, and then click on done, completing, uploading, and confirm. So let me click on confirm. As you can see, my submit is successful. So right now this thing is under review. So once it's done reviewing, I'm gonna update you guys. And then after 1 minute, I went back and I saw that my order is completed. So let me go over now to see my wallet address, to see my wallet balance now. As you can see, my wallet balance now is now 0.4 USDT. So I'm gonna try and withdraw to know if the withdrawal is instant. So let me go over to my Trust wallet and copy out my wallet address. So let me receive and copy it out. Then go over to the site and click on withdraw. So please add your wallet method. So let me just add it up. Add wallet and network type USDT. So let me just confirm it and let me enter the network address. This is it, and let me enter my transaction password. Once I'm done with it, I'm gonna continue the video. So I'm done adding my wallet my password address and my transaction address. So if I click on submit now, it's gonna change, says change submit successful. So let me go over to withdrawal. So let me enter the amount 0.14 USDT, 40 USDT payment password. Let me enter it again and come back to you guys. So I'm done entering it. Let me click on submit and to know what is done. So the way I see it, they says it's successful. So let me go over to this place now. As you can see, my wallet balance now is 0.0 USDT. So let me go over to my Trust wallet to know if the transaction was sent instantly. So let me go over to my Trust wallet to see what's happened. So refresh it. Once the withdrawal is confirmed, I'm gonna update you guys. Let me not waste your time here. So after some seconds of ending the video, I received a notification from Trust Wallet that I received 0.14 USDT, which if you go over to this place now, you can see that I received 1.4 USDT. So this is it. It just landed today 7:10 a.m. That means 2 minutes ago. So guys, this update is paying and the withdrawal is almost instant. If you want to earn from this update, make sure you take action now. If you don't take action now, don't take it later. Remember, speaking is not in any way financial advisor. I'm just a content creator sharing updates that I saw online, and I own no projects. I just advertise projects. So if you want to earn more from this, start it now. Follow the link now. Do everything in this video, and you can earn 1 USDT daily for free without even doing any simple any single task apart from just clicking on that video. So I think this is the end of this video today. Make sure you follow the instructions if you want to earn 1.4 USDT daily, and stay safe. Invest what you can afford to lose. I'm not in any way financial advisor. See you guys on my next video. Bye.